So I'm now in I don't know Washington, just across the bridge in Astoria, Oregon. I'm at a little gas station out in the middle of Highway 4. Make a pretty good time. I've got 3.5 hours to final destination. I'm just gonna keep plugging away. Might stay the night somewhere. Not sure yet, but so far the Ibex named Foy, Foy, which stands for Fountain of Youth. Just kicking butt, man. Awesome bike.